Hey guys, just tried the Munster Stack at the Pancake Parlour here in Melbourne. Get out of there. Just crunch a bit of Tim Tams on it. Yay! Where's the bell? It's Munster Stack time. And the ice cream.
And then you can do your zigzag.
Up the pedal, pride. And that is the Munster Stack. Pedal 6. Pedal 6. Hey guys, just tried the Munster Stack at the Pancake Parlour here in Melbourne. Outstanding. I've been very lucky enough to be on the menu at the Pancake Parlour. Feel free to come down and try it out. It's outstanding and you won't be disappointed. Enjoy, guys.